Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Performing regular monthly reconciliations is the best way to ensure the accuracy of your info in QuickBooks. Let's go over how to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts, resolve any differences you find, and run reconciliation reports. First, access your monthly bank or credit card statement. You can usually get your statements from your financial institution's website. Then, from the home page, select Reconcile. Choose the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Enter the end date on the statement. Check that your beginning balance matches your statement. If it doesn't, check out this video to learn how to fix it. Enter the ending balance you see on your statement. Then enter any service charges or interest during the statement period. If you use bank feeds, you can usually leave this blank because you'll download charges and interest along with other transactions. If everything looks good, select Continue. Now you compare your statement to the information in QuickBooks. QuickBooks displays all of the transactions that reduced your balance, like checks and debit card charges, in this section, and all of the transactions that increased your balance, like deposits, in this section. If a transaction in QuickBooks exactly matches the date, number, and dollar amount of a transaction on the statement, select it. If you use bank feeds to download transactions from your bank or credit cards, select Matched. Then enter the statement ending date and OK. And QuickBooks checks off all the transactions you downloaded. Once you verify all items from your statement in QuickBooks, you should have a zero balance. That tells you there is zero difference between what's in QuickBooks and what's on the statement. If you have a difference, select Modify and verify that your beginning balance, ending balance, and ending date all match your statement. If they do, go back and check the selected transactions to make sure they match the statement. If any transaction has the wrong amount, double-click it, correct it, and then save. If you notice a transaction on your statement that isn't in the window, record it like normal, and it'll appear in the window so you can select it. If you can't find the reason for the difference, select Reconcile Now. From here, you can select Enter Adjustment to accept the difference, and QuickBooks will record a journal entry correcting the difference. However, you should talk to your accountant before doing this. Usually it's best to resolve any differences in the reconciliation and not perform this task. Once you've reached a difference of 0, select Reconcile Now. QuickBooks asks if you want to print or display your reconciliation reports. Select Close. You can run your reconciliation reports later from Reports, Banking, Previous Reconciliation. Now you're ready to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts.